Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on Robinhood. First, you'll need to open an account and link your bank. Robinhood makes investing accessible, even with a small initial deposit. You can start by exploring various investment options, including stocks and exchange-traded funds. Remember, understanding the basics is crucial before you dive into the market. Fractional shares are a great way to start with as little as $1. There are several strategies to consider for making money. Long-term investing involves holding assets for years, aiming for significant growth. Dividend stocks can provide a consistent income stream, often paid quarterly. For those interested in more active trading, swing trading focuses on capturing short-term price movements, typically over a few days or weeks. Always research thoroughly before committing to any strategy. Managing risk is essential for sustainable growth. Diversifying your investments across various sectors and asset types helps mitigate potential losses. Never invest more than you are comfortable losing, as market fluctuations are normal. Setting profit targets and stop-loss orders can protect your capital and lock in gains. A balanced approach to risk is key to long-term success. To further enhance your Robinhood experience, leverage the platform's research tools and educational resources. These can provide valuable insights for making informed decisions. For experienced investors, options trading offers the potential for higher returns, though it comes with increased risk. Remember to continuously educate yourself and adapt your strategies. Also, for great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, look for the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.